Hi, good afternoon. Today we are going to learn HTML and HTML tags and HTML versus XHTML. First you can see this is called browser. You can utilize a different type of browsers for the purpose of site designing and internet accessing purpose. We are using this type of Mozilla, Chrome or Internet Explorer or Opera. This type of browsers we are using. You can apply in different types of browsers, then only you can understand of what is going on in browser specifications. So this is a URL, universal resource locator. Okay, so here this is the documentation area. In this documentation area we can specify the commands. According to that, this document area can be given the result. And here it is the menu bar, and this is the title bar, and this is the properties of browser of the specifications. This is called background, document background, and foreground. Font visible of the specifications can be called as the foreground. Okay, so here first of all we can do that the one of the program, that is HTML constant tags. So HTML constant tags can be defined as called as structure of the browser. Okay, so first of all every tag must be closed with the open and closing tags. Okay, so HTML open tag and HTML closing tag, and here it is a head tag, and head tag is closing. Heading purpose we can give that, and next title tag, TITLE title tag. So, okay, so title closing tag must be slash, ended slash, TITLE closing tag. Okay, so then after body tag, body opening tag and body closing tag. So here this is called that constant tags, and fixed tags are h1 tag, font tag, paragraph tag and background tag. This type of can be called as the fixed tags, and independent tags must be br tag, hr tag and image, these three. So first we can save this, save as. Okay, all programs. Okay, save. Yes. Okay, so now we can watch demo. Open with the Mozilla. So, okay, so here browser application raised enough, there is no implementations. Right now we can give that the title of the specification. So okay, first of all I can give this is my first demo. Save this, and here press F5. Okay, so when you are giving that the title of the tag, automatically it can represent your title. So okay, next tag is a heading. Heading is this is first demo. So okay, save this and press F5. So when we are giving that the header tag, it is automatically going to at the documentation of area. So okay, here it was came in left side of the sequences. So here we can give that the specifications like there are mainly used 6 type of header tags. Okay, that is h1 to h6. Okay, Control C, Control V. So okay, h1 is a close, Control S and press here F5. So when you are giving that h1 tag, it automatically gives that the bold of the thickness and the size of the implementation. Okay, so here you can give that the properties, that is align. Align is equal to left, right or center. Okay, here I want to give specify center. Control S and press F5. So automatically it comes central. Okay, so we can specify to underline that is BR tag. BR tag in the sense it is independent tag. So okay, once I can give that BR tag, that is a independent tag. So here HR in the sense of horizontal line, that is align equal to center. Width, here width in the sense of size. Okay, here I am giving the size to color equal to, you can specify whether it is the digits or if you know the name you can specify name also. Okay, Control S by pressing F5. So okay, when you are giving that the width of the specification, just you was mentioned align equal to center, width equal to 2. You had not specified the size of the specification. Here size equal to 30%. So okay, Control S by pressing F5 for automatically it comes like this. Okay, it equal to 30%. It was given heavy, so here I am giving that 30%. So okay, press F5. This is also heavy, so here I can give the 20% and size equal to 2. Okay, by pressing F5 automatically it comes. Why it was given of space? Because of the BR of the tag. So when you remove this BR tag, automatically it comes to near. Okay, Control S. Every statement modification after you must save and press F5. Okay, so here it comes like this, and the same tags you can specify like this. The way control. So okay, so here it is H2 tag, it is H3 tag, it is H4 tag. Okay, here whatever the tags we are applied, we must specify like this one. Okay, so now you can save this and you can press F5. So automatically this is H1, H2, H3, H4 center, that is also okay. So now we can represent the same HTML program in XHTML. You must go before of the tag HTML. First start with the question mark XML. Okay, so here XML in the sense the extended markup language, that is already we are defined here. XML version equal to 1.0. If you feel you can forget, just you can give only just here of the specification. XML version equal to version equal to 1.0 tag close, enough. Okay, so generally we can give that like this. So okay, generally we can give that generally we can give this type of tag must and should in XHTML. So okay, generally we can give that XML version 1.0 encoding equal to UTF-8 and question mark. But right now I am not giving this type of specifications. Why? Because if you feel you are not comfortable, you feel you can forget. So just simply you can give just doc type, that is only in capital doc type, enough. Okay, I'm removing this. Okay, same program in XHTML. Control S and press F5. So there is no difference between these two. Okay, now if you can see the next modifications also. Okay, so here I am giving that okay. So in body, if you can give, body has the properties, that is a background color, BG color or background. Okay, BG color in the sense you can specify the color whatever it is, 1 2 3 4, or if you know the name lavender I am giving here. So okay, first I am saving by pressing F5. So color will come like this. Okay, later we can give that H1 align equal to center. This is X HTML demo. H1 tag is closed. So, okay, Control S. So the title will come like this. If you feel it is not matching of your site of the design, then automatically you can change the colors, that is a foreground color. Okay, so first of all I can specify that horizontal line, HR align equal to center, size equal to 2, width equal to 25%, 20% is the 20%. Okay, Control S and by pressing F5, so automatically comes like this, and 25 it is comfortable. Okay, 25, so F5. Okay, comfortable, it is okay. So right now we can give that the foreground color, that is the font color equal to white. Why? Because the background is going on to blue, sky blue, that's why we can specify. It's okay, Control S, oh, sorry, Control S, by pressing F5 automatically it comes HR tag. So when we start off this HR, I mean font color, okay, that must be where to close your font color. Okay, you can specify. Okay, so Control S by pressing F5. Okay, font, Control S by pressing F5. If you see here, horizontal color was not changed. Why? Because here horizontal color not mentioned. So okay, so HR color equal to white. So okay, Control S. So this is the demo program.